Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to delete my Snapchat account. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the, as you can see, bottom right corner, we have spotlights where you can check out your some of the videos. We can see stories, so you can check out some stories, the camera, chat, and the location in the bottom left corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and delete my Snapchat account. So to delete your Snapchat account, follow these steps. Tap the gear button in the profile screen to open settings. You can go to the profile screen by tapping on the top left corner or your Bitmoji. Then scroll down to Account Actions. After you have scrolled down and tapped on the Account Actions, tap Delete Account. Then, after you have deleted your account, log in to the Snapchat Accounts portal, and there you can input your password. After you have inputted your password, guys, then tap Continue to confirm account deactivation or deletion. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you found this video informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.